Step 5. What is in my bag? You first watch this video and then you give the answer. Don't worry, it's not hard, but it is interesting and entertaining, and it helps to improve your spoken English. So let's begin. Could you please watch this person and carefully observe what he is doing? I hope you are observing closely. If not, please watch again because I will be asking a few questions related to the person's activities in the video. Okay? Now, please try to select the correct answer from the options given below. What do you see on the table? It is a bag. It is a laptop bag. The correct answer is, very good, it is a laptop bag. What does the man take out first from the laptop bag? The first item the man takes out is a paperweight from his bag. The first item the man takes out is a pen from his bag. The right answer is good, paperweight. What does the man take out of the bag after the paperweight? The man takes out a laptop from his bag. The man takes out a phone from his bag. The correct answer is the man takes out a laptop from his bag. What does he take out the third item from the bag? He takes out a water bottle from his bag. He takes out a book from his bag. The third item. The right answer is he takes out a water bottle from his bag. The third item. Where did he place the phone? It was placed in the first compartment of the laptop bag. It was placed in the man's shirt pocket. The correct answer is, very good, it was placed in the first compartment of the laptop bag. Where does he keep the pen? He keeps his pen in his shirt pocket. He keeps his pen in his pant pocket. The correct answer is keeps his pen in his shirt pocket. For more updates, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to like and share.